We got a 2017 Chevy Cruze. Customer coming in here, as you can see. It's a nice day, so I'm staying outside today. So,
it's 70 degrees out
70 degrees. So, the amp's not coming on the Chevy Cruze. So we're gonna check it out. First thing we want to check it out is, where you think I'm gonna check it out? Where you think I'm gonna start it at? It's a customer right here.
First, you gotta check the power.
He's right. That's the first thing I'm gonna check is the power. See if it's got power. Come on closer. So I got a voltmeter. You can do it at test light or voltmeter. I think voltmeter is better because you can tell if it's 12 volt output or not. Now another thing I want to explain to this with this car, since the battery's right here, we want to make sure the ground is right on the battery because we want it close as possible to the battery. We can do it through here, but then you're losing ground. You want the best ground is right there on the battery. That's where everything goes, because this ground right here, it runs all over to the metals or the frames. So I'm gonna test, see if it's got 12 volt. Okay, put a negative side right here. Okay, a screen on here right here. Let me see if it's got 12 volt. So we do have over 12 volt, which is perfect. Now we're gonna test it over here on the fuse. See if it's got 12 volt. It's got 12 volt, right? It's 12.47. That's good. That's what we need. So we're gonna do it here. Do we have any voltage? No. So fuse right here is bad. We're gonna change the fuse. That's first thing you want to do is check to make sure you got power. You know, a lot of customers like, hey, my amp's not coming on. Why? Because you got no power. And now if the amp come on and then you got no sound, you better check the speakers because the speaker might be bad. So I'm gonna change this fuse holder, and then we'll go from there. Now I got I got everything hooked up to the voltmeter. Now it showed me that 12.62, so we are perfect. So the amp should come on, speaker should come on. I'm gonna put everything up and then turn it on and see what happens.